Okay, hey you guys. My camera is facing the opposite way, so I cannot see my screen at all. I hope it looks alright, and I hope my background doesn't look too bad. I did make up my bed for this, so hopefully it looks presentable. Hey guys, it's Dejanay Marie, and I am filming this makeup tutorial because, like, low-key, I am a beauty channel, like a makeup channel. So yeah, I'm going to be filming a rainbow. Not, is it like a tutorial? I've never done this before, so am I really qualified to be teaching someone else how to do this? No. So yeah, let's get started. I don't know exactly how I want to do this. I would know like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Wait, or should I do it this way? Because you're looking at me this way. Wait, no, you're looking at me this way. Oh, okay, I think I'm going to do right to left instead of left to right. Do I want to... I kind of wanted to do a cut crease, but then you don't get the full effect. I also need to get some tape. I will be right back. I know tape is not good for your face, and I definitely know that masking tape is not good for your face. So let's just ignore that. First thing I'm going to be using on my eyes are the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in the color white because I want the most pigment I can get. And then I'm going to blend it out. Okay, that's the best I'm going to do. The next thing I'm going to be taking is my Morphe palette. It is the 35C one. So yeah, obviously I'm going to be using all the colors of the rainbow. So I'm going to be taking this red color right here, this orange color right here, this yellow color right here. Which blue should I use? I'll use this blue right here, and then, oh wait, I didn't even say green. I'll use this green and then this purple. And I'm only using one brush. Now taking that red, gonna pack some on my brush. And then let's just get into it. Wow, Morphe, coming through with the pigment. Coming through. Now I'm taking this orange, if you can see. Now going in with this yellow. Going back to the orange because it's looking non-existent. That yellow is overshadowing it. Now I'm going to try to get a nice blend. Red, orange, yellow, green. Okay, so I'm taking this green, like I said. Now for the blue. Going back to that green. This is looking so cool. I'm like low-key hyped. And now purple. Did I say this purple? I'm gonna change it to this purple if I didn't say that. This purple is looking spicy, so let's do it. Oh my gosh, I just got yellow eyeshadow all over my white sweatshirt. I am loving this, you guys. I'm living for it. Okay, ready for the big reveal? Oh, wait, that hurt. Wow, look at those edges, dog. Look at those. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Like, I thought I was gonna look like a clown. But like, look, I'm looking artistic. I am looking artistic. Who's your art teacher? I'm your art teacher. That is me. So, the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. But in computer science, it is red, blue, green. So yeah, I am so ecstatic. Let's add some foundation and stuff. As always, I am taking my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I need some more of it. I need to hit up Ulta in the color Cappuccino. Now I'm going in with the Sephora foundation. Okay, you guys, I know my foundation is going to be off. Don't come for me. It's really a struggle to find like foundation that's perfect for your skin tone. It's a struggle. So all in all, I'm trying. This foundation makes me look greasy. Like super duper greasy. Do you think if I showed up to school like this, I would get roasted? I don't know if I will. My eyebrows are not even, and the way I did this is not even either, so I'm just gonna, oh shoot. I know my foundation looks super bad, don't come for me. Ooh, this stuff burns my face. Is that, oh sorry, this is the Wet n not Wet, is this Wet n Wild? Yeah, Wet n Wild concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. Ooh, yeah, I just messed up that clean line. I'm using the contour kit in the shade medium. It's the cream one. I'm taking this middle color. Low key, I feel like cream contours get like a deeper contour, but I don't know if this is just because it's not the right color for me, but it also makes me look super duper gray, which is super duper annoying. So that's why I'm low-key going light on this. Oh my gosh, my foundation looks a hot mess. At least my eyeshadow don't. I'll be back with the powder contour kit. Psych, you guys just got pranked. It's not here, so we're not using that. We're just gonna go back into the contour kit, the cream one, and add a little bit more contour to this. How to get the dewy look. Use Sephora foundation. The end. I don't know if that did anything. I hope so, because I just spent a long time blending that out. Okay. I am done with my face since I can't really do anything else. Now I am going to do my eyeliner. I'm using the Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil. I already have some on my face, but I'm gonna add some more. Wow. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and use the Great Lash by Maybelline. Now I'm going to be using the lashes that I created. Sorry, they're like not glued down onto here. But yeah, I'm going to use those. And I'm using the Duo eyelash glue. The clear, the white one. Those are not looking too hot. Let me move it over a little bit. Yeet, we are not using these. I will be back with some Sephora lashes. Okay, so I'm using the Sephora Plush eyelashes. Those definitely need curled. Wow, these are not cute lashes on me. Like, you can tell that those are lashes. That is not cute. Do these look okay? Oh my gosh. I worked so hard on this just for it to be ruined by lashes. Well, I'm not wearing those. Sorry y'all, I know you wanted some bomb lashes, but I just can't deal with those. Now I'm taking the Lancome mascara. I'm upset that I couldn't get any lashes on. The only thing that's left to do is blind you guys with some highlights. So I'm taking the Carly Bible palette, taking this color, and blinding y'all. Okay, that was a little bit extra. I regret that. Honestly, I like this makeup look before I put on foundation. To top it all off, I'm going to add some lip gloss. I got this from the hair store. To add some more, I'm going to use the Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss. Okay, so I know I look a hot mess, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's something different on my channel. I don't really do crazy looks like this, but if you want me to, then let me know. Like, would you wear this out? I wouldn't. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video.